What's going on, YouTube? I'm whispering because right back there is a little kitten. I've been trying to catch this kitten for months. It's black and white. My neighbor and I both put out food. And I know she sleeps, or he sleeps, on my porch at night. There it is, right there. Right there. That's his Logan. Don't mind Logan, if you could hear him in the background. You got anything to say, Peanut?
It's a cute kitten.
And if we catch it, I think we're gonna get some traps. I think we're gonna get some traps. We're gonna catch this thing. Boy, girl, kitten. We're gonna catch it, but we need traps. So maybe tomorrow we'll get some traps.
Look at your kitten.
Snickers, what do you got? Hi, Snicky. Fluffy heard that knocking. That's my neighbor knocking.
Trying to get the cat to come eat the food.
Yeah, but I think we're here. So that cat's like, I ain't getting that food. Fluffy, what are you doing?
Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Fluffy,
She's ignoring us. That's what she's doing. Oh, there she is.
Girl.
She got an attitude. It's like October fog. The leaves are falling. The yard's a mess. Kitten's still back there. That's a quick cat vlog on the channel. Wait,
Like
what?
people are like scared to pet like cats if like they're not their cat, but like I can just pick on my cat and like be like.
Oh yeah, of course. But Fluffy, on the other hand, though, that's a whole other story.
I'll pick up Fluffy. Dude, he's trying.
All right, we're gonna catch that kitten. I know it. That's the goal, hopefully.